Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to partition your hard drive on Windows 10 without formatting. Basically, we're creating a brand new drive right on your computer. So stick around and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to open Disk Management. There are two ways to do this. Method 1, right-click on PC, select Manage, and then choose Disk Management. Method 2, press Windows key plus X on your keyboard, then select Disk Management. Now, here you'll see all the drives on your system. What we're going to do is create a new partition. To make this happen, we'll shrink some space from the main drive, usually the C drive. But be careful, only shrink available free space so you don't mess with your system files. Here's how. Right-click on the C drive. Choose Shrink Volume. Windows will calculate how much free space is available. Enter the size of the new partition in megabytes. For example, I have around 579 megabytes free, so I'll use that. Once you type in the size, hit Shrink. After a few moments, you'll see unallocated space appear. Now, let's create the new drive. Right-click on the unallocated space. Select New Simple Volume. Click Next a few times. Give your new drive a name or letter. Hit Finish. And just like that, boom, you've got a brand new drive on your computer. Mine showed up as Drive A and it's ready to use. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment down below, and of course subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.